Hey everybody, it's Laura with Sawdust and Cornbread. Today I'm doing some thrift shopping at Thrift Well to see if I can find some deals on Christmas decorations as well as what antiques and vintage items they have around the store. They're certainly ready for Christmas, but as I'm looking here at these Christmas trees, something caught my eye in the corner. These lovely giant ornament bean bags, so cute. I believe they were $5 each. But I could not overlook this giant couch as you come in. It is absolutely gorgeous. This is a velvet couch, and I bet it would seat at least 8 people, if not 10 or 12 teenagers. It just keeps going and going. And when I first looked this up, there's one very similar from Restoration Hardware, but there's an even closer model on Amazon for $1,590. This is for the love seat version of this couch. So you can imagine my surprise when I saw that this was only $299.99. And then this cute little bench over here caught my eye. I just love the Norwegian design. I found it in a vintage magazine. It's a Norwegian Courtship bench, and it's marked $49.99, I believe, at Thrift Well. It has sold for 937.50 euros, which is 1,086 American dollars. Next, I found this interesting couch. It has great bones. It's a nice, beautiful Victorian style couch. The fabric is interesting, and it has $74.99 on it. Something similar to that has been sold online for $200, so that's priced about half of what I would expect to see. Now I'm going to be exploring all of these shelves of Christmas goodies, plenty of collectible tins. Here's some nice ornaments that would be fun to do some glitter and puffy paint with. There's just a treasure trove of baubles and ornaments for your tree that you could use as is, or you could add your own decorative touch. I love this little centerpiece, and here is a chair as good as it gets for Santa. This is a beautiful red chair that they had there by the tree. Now, this is something special. I knew from the beginning that this was more than meets the eye, so I did a little research on it, and sure enough, this is a Drexel dresser. It's a 12-door dresser, and the value can be $1,000 or more. Here at Thrift Well today, it's $199.99. These are hard to find. This is in great condition, so what a deal. Next, I saw this beautiful little school desk, and my first thought was how annoying it must be to have the person behind you writing on the desk that's attached to your seat. Half off of $179.99, looking at about $90, seems a fair price for that. And these little custard glasses remind me of my grandmother. She always made butterscotch pudding with whipped cream on top in very similar dishes to those. Now, here in the corner, I'm looking across this china, and this beautiful embossed looking pattern catches my eye. And I am just very interested in this pattern. So I looked it up, and sure enough, a platter by itself sold for $135 online. The cups alone are only 99 cents at Thrift Well. This is a bargain and a half. I really was interested in this print. I love the centerpiece and the way that it's matted. I immediately was drawn to this picture, Man and the Horse, and it ends up, this is part of the exposition that was presented by Polo Ralph Lauren, and this was in a 1984-1985 Arts Costume Institute show. This picture is selling for $29.99 at Thrift Well. I think that would be great for lovers of Polo Ralph Lauren or for horses. That's just a great picture. Looking through all of these fall items, Thanksgiving isn't here yet. This would be a great opportunity for a church or a club to gather up some decorations for tables or for their meeting area. These roses are made of some kind of foam. I was intrigued, and I may have to do some research to see how to make those by hand. They're just lovely. And some more nice fall centerpieces. This little cradle is something I would have loved to handcraft for my daughters when they were little. I made all kinds of handmade doll clothes and things, but I never got around to making the cradle. Now, this is something that you often see in thrift stores or antique shops. This is a Brunswick model that was put out by Ward's department store. It's in excellent condition. I've seen some in much worse shape. So the fact that this is only $74.99 for the machine as well as the cabinet, that's a really good deal. These beautiful sparkly crystal vases were on the side with brass bottoms. This is probably lead crystal. I didn't find a price on them that day, but it's a beautiful pair. And look at the wooden base of this lamp with all of the hand-carved engraving on there with the birds and the flowers. It's just a beautiful object for $29.99. And here's another little wooden lamp that I found. This was just the day for artwork and lamps here at Thrift Well. So gorgeous. It's just very nice. And look at the embroidery. The hand embroidery on this lampshade is lovely. It's so detailed and it looks brand new. This little guy was sitting unassumingly over in the corner, and it just caught the corner of my eye in my peripheral vision, and I thought, how nice, a little industrial farmhouse type cabinet. And then something just drew me to look at it even closer, and upon closer inspection, this is a medical cabinet, and those go for a pretty high price. Similar online is $600, $1,000. This one is in pretty bad shape for $574 online. So I was very interested to see what this was selling for at Thrift Well. $99.99 for this vintage medicine cabinet. Somebody could flip this and make 5 times the money easily if they took that home with them. You never know what you'll find in these thrift stores. It's always a treasure hunt. Isn't this a beautiful picture of this young shepherdess holding the lamb and the proud mother there? And I like the details. I always like to notice the hands and the feet in pictures, and I just think that this had so much interesting detail to it. A lot of hard work went into this bent wood rocker, and for $39.99 with unbroken cane in the back, I think it's well worth it. Now it's time for a quick trip to Rural King. They've got Santa out here in the tractor. He's a hard-working farmer, even on these cool winter days, or it feels like winter, but cool early autumn days. The farmers are out there working, and I couldn't quite spot Santa's face under all that beard, but that may be a good thing because this was a rather windy day. And of course, I had to check out all the bunnies. Excuse me, sir, what are you up to? Oh, nothing. That's what I thought. And this little guy has it made, and he has it all things figured out. He is happy in life, sitting in his feeder in the top. He doesn't have to worry about sharing. I think he's going to eat until he just falls over. Here is one of the main things I was here for, is to look for wrapping paper. I missed out on the duck gift wrap at Rural King last year, and sure enough, here it is today. I'm so happy. It may be geese, but I'm calling them ducks. They look a lot like my Pekin ducks, and so this is going to be my gift wrap this year. And of course, I had to check the price, and I figured $2.99 is not too bad. I'm sure I could find it for less, but that's okay. It has ducks on it. Look at these beautiful little dog ornaments, and that just reminds me I have something similar to this scene right here at home. All the doggies waiting on me to cuddle and snuggle up, so I better head out. But thanks so much for joining me. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share with all your friends for the most recent deals, thrifting, home tips, and more. I'll see you next time. God bless.